Hi friends, I am Ajay sir and you are watching my channel AK's Math, online mathematics teaching and a very easy way to learn the mathematics. Now student, हम आजकल जो लॉकडाउन का पीरियड चल रहा है उसमें थोड़ा सा अभी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का ज़माना और ज़रूरत हो गई है. सो लेट्स लर्न समथिंग. और आज हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड के वास्ते बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट जिसका नाम है एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे. सो आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए to get the regular updates on my channel. So let's start it. How to solve the angle bisector theorem which is given in the first chapter of the similarity in the 10th standard. So let's look at what we have to do at first. So we are going to learn now angle bisector theorem, how to concentrate, how to ड्रॉ द डायग्राम, व्हाट टू राइट इन द गिवन में क्या लिखने का है, डायग्राम कैसे बनाने की है, ये हमको वन बाय वन सीखना पड़ेगा. सो प्लीज फोकस ऑन द स्क्रीन. नाउ एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. दिस इज द डायग्राम. लुक एट द डायग्राम वेरी केयरफुली. गौर से देखिए. एबीसी एक ट्रायंगल है. इन ट्रायंगल एबीसी एडी इज गिवन. एडी इज एक्चुअली एंगल बाइसेक्टर. सो एडी इज द एंगल बाइसेक्टर विच intersect side BC at point T. So we have to write given at first that in triangle ABC, ray AD bisects angle BAC which intersect side BC at point D. So after that we have to write to prove what we have to prove, and to prove is means the target जो हमको prove करने का है. तो it is very simple. So look at this one. AB upon AC, it is equal to BD upon CD और BD upon DC, वन एंड द सेम. दोनों एक ही है. AB upon AC, it is equal to BD upon CD. It indicates that the angle bisector of any angle in a triangle, it always divides the opposite side in the same ratio as that sides of angles. So let's start it. How to write it? Now if you are observing one construction is made, what is that construction? Look at this one. So we have to write the construction. Draw DM perpendicular to AB as well as DN is also perpendicular to AC. Let's start the proof now, which is very simple. बहुत ही आसान है, बहुत जल्दी समझ में आता है, खाली हमको वहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना पड़ेगा. So look at the screen now. Proof. What we have to write in the proof at first? Look at this one. D is the point on the angle bisector of angle BAC as it is given. D is the point on angle bisector of angle BAC, it is given. And DM is perpendicular to AB as well as DN is perpendicular to AC. This is our construction. And now point D is on the angle bisector and perpendicular distances are drawn. Perpendicular distances दोनों एंगल के दोनों साइड को ड्रॉन किए वाली है. So due to that, what will happen? Do you remember one property which you learn in the 9th standard? And what is that property? In such situation, DM is always equal to DN. It is the property of point on angle bisector. It will be our first number now. Now, by another way, we have to focus on those two triangles. Two triangles are made. If you observe it carefully. So, from figure, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एडीबी, लुक एट द हाफ पार्ट. उसका आधा पार्ट तुमको देखने का है. एडीबी, इन दैट एडीबी एरिया फॉर्मूला इफ वी अप्लाई, हमने अगर एरिया का फॉर्मूला उसमें अप्लाई कर दिया, सो एरिया इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू AB इंटू DM. इट विल बी अवर सेकंड नंबर. इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर्मूला, 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट, दैट वी कैन इजीली रिमेंबर. इन द सेम वे वी हैव टू अप्लाई इन द ट्रायंगल ADC. In triangle ADC, again, area of triangle ADC is equal to 1/2 AC into DN. It will be our third number. Now, if we take the ratio, then what will happen? Look at the screen. In area of triangle ADB upon area of triangle ABC, if we take the ratio, then 1/2 will be get cancelled, and DM and DN also will be get cancelled. So it will be equal to AB upon AC. DM and DN as both are equal as given in first number. So reason for this line from 1 to 3 and it will be our fourth number. So please focus on all these points. Now we got 4 points. Now look at the next part. Look at this one. So एंगल बाइसेक्टर हमने दिए वाला है, 4 नंबर तक हमने बनाए वाले हैं, 1 नंबर 2 नंबर. उसके आगे क्या लिखने का है हमको? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADB एंड triangle ADB and triangle ADC. It is by my mistake. Not only you have to write triangle ADB and triangle ADC are the triangles of common height. ये दो triangle है, ये common height के triangle है. So but now we have to observe it from the front side with the common vertex A now. So we can write the areas of these two triangles in proportion with their bases. As A is the common vertex, therefore the bases will be BD and CD. So again one more time we can write the area. और हम और एक बार ट्रायंगल ADB और ट्रायंगल ADC का एरिया उसका रेशो लिख सकते हैं, और उसका रेशो अभी आएगा BD upon CD. When you are considering A as the common vertex, then its ratio of their areas will be BD upon CD, and we have to give the appropriate reason for that one in proportion with the bases, and it will be our 5 number. Now from 4 and 5, if we observe 4 and 5 carefully, in 4 we got DM upon DN, AB upon AC, AB upon AC. Here we are getting the same ratio, it is equal to BD upon CD. So we can write from 4 and 5 AB upon AC, it will be equal to BD upon CD. So by this way, this is very easy concept. बहुत ही आसान थ्योरम है जो हमको इसके application on this basis examples may be asked in the exam. Mostly examples may be asked, and same examples means the examples based on this property are given in the one exercise of 10th standard. So remember this formula by trick, by hook or trick, and apply in the examples. हमको example में apply करने के वास्ते बहुत ही easy है. AB upon AC it is equal to BD upon CD. So on this basis, on the means the examples based on this one, we have to solve in the next exercise. Now look at the one more time. एक बार चलो फिर से एक बार प्रॉपर्टी जो है प्रॉपर्टी लर्न करते हैं. एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एनी एंगल इन अ ट्रायंगल ऑलवेज डिवाइड्स द अपोजिट साइड इन प्रोपोर्शन विद द साइड्स ऑफ एंगल्स. सो बाय दिस वे स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू फोकस. हमको ये बहुत ही आसान एक थ्योरम है जो हमको लर्न करने का है, जो हमको पढ़ने का है. आगे भी आपको इसी तरह से इजी ट्रिक्स मेरे चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे. अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ subscribe my channel AK's Math, so you will get the regular updates related with the mathematics. So now here means to focus on the study, you should be in touch with the AK's Math, so you will get the regular updates. So subscribe my channel, and it is enough for this time. Bye bye students.